Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. In yesterday video we have configured the secondary reverse lookup join. Now the today practical is creating a secondary join in forward lookup join. So in do the practical allow the join transfer. So to perform this practical we have to perform this practical on our member server as well as our DC. You can see our DC is our DC. Here is our server system 1 and is our forward lookup join is already created on our DC system 1 computer, and yesterday we have configured reverse lookup join. But right now the practical is forward lookup join. This is the forward lookup join primary. The primary forward lookup join is yahoo.com, and so we have to transfer this join to automatically to secondary join of member server DNS. So due to that we have already installed the DNS. You can see this is our DNS which have already installed, but we have to configure the secondary join manually here, and then after we can perform the this is a forward lookup join. Then right click here and click the new zone, then click next, create the secondary join instead of the primary, because primary we have already created on our domain controller. Okay, and also here we can give the name join yahoo.com, same name that we have created. Okay, now to create the IP address of you can see the system or computer name is already detected. Now click on next, finish. Okay, now information is not here, but we have to check this information. We have to first click the allow. We have to configure the join transfer method. To do that auto join transfer, we have to again go to our server, then get here yahoo.com. okay, so yahoo.com, click on right click, properties, then select the join transfers, then click here allow join transfers, then click on only the following servers and click here the edit. Now in edit, click here the name, you can see the name is see a client computer or member server name automatically detect. Now click OK, and click apply and click OK. Now this is the our configuration of our server 2016. First we have to refresh on both sides. Refresh. The DNS, here is a primary lookup, primary. Now check this primary on secondary of our computer of member server. Tools, DNS, something reason is not here coming, we have to wait for some time. We are stopping here for wait. So after waiting for 2 or 3 minutes, it can be the zone automatically transfer from SAM with host as well as alias. You can say similarly forward lookup zone. This is our secondary of member server, and this is the primary of our main DC DNS. This is a domain controller DNS, and this is our member server DNS. You can see the both information are same, sys1.yahoo.com with canonical name and host records. Similarly here with canonical host name. So by using this method you can transfer all the zone information by using the primary zone on forward lookup zone, on main domain controller, as well as on our member server. We have to configure the secondary zone. So if you guys like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati and press the bell icon with all notification for next video. Thanks for the day.